In the early 70s and 80s, the Inner Wheel Club of Madras was monitoring a creche in Rotary Nagar. This is an area around Triplicane which has been adopted by the Rotary Club of Madras, and they had a little creche there for children of working women. So we would monitor it, give them clothes, give them food. Their afternoon meal was supervised by us. But after a while, we found the children weren't coming that much and we lost touch. So that project is no longer with us now. However, we did find a new project. In 2007, we found a Balwadi that was not in very good condition. So we have another club, the Inner Wheel Club of Madras Midtown, which refurbished it and made sure they blocked all the snake holes and rat holes. But we stepped in there with the help of Rotarian Kamdar from the Rotary Club of Madras, who financed the early part of it. And we brought in the Montessori method into the Balwadi, which was actually, if you look at Balwadis, they're normally very noisy. The children are, not very well brought up. The hygiene quality is not that great. But this Balwadi, if you were to look at it now, because we have introduced the Montessori methods and because we have a trained teacher there, it has completely been revamped and it's like in a new avatar. It's a model Balwadi now. We have about, 60 children now, because once the government saw this, they brought in another Balwadi and we are now handling actually children from 2 Balwadis there. The children come in at about 9 in the morning when their parents go off to work and they're there till 1 o'clock. The afternoon meal is provided, a snack is provided, and for the rest, they work with Montessori materials, which is very sophisticated. And it's a very quiet, very well-managed Balwadi. It's been running from the 30th of June 2007 when we inaugurated it. The then Minister Poongoday inaugurated it at that time. And it's running well, and we are still monitoring it. We're having a great time doing that.